Thank you for your interest in the Agricultural Stewardship Initiative intake and the energy efficiency improvements and larger scale energy efficiency improvements project categories. In order to apply for an energy efficiency improvements project or a larger scale energy efficiency improvements project, applicants must complete an energy worksheet. The worksheet is used to gather information about your farm operations' existing energy usage and to estimate the level of energy efficiency improvements associated with your proposed project. You will need to complete this energy worksheet before you complete and submit your application form. There are answers from this worksheet that you will need to include on your application form. Where to find the energy worksheet? The energy worksheet for the Energy Efficiency Improvements Project, or the larger scale Energy Efficiency Improvements Project, is found on the program guide for the Agricultural Stewardship Initiative intake. Ensure that you select the correct project category. Ensure that you review all sections of the program guide for the project category you are applying for. Select the Documents Required section. Here, you will find a link to the required energy worksheet. The energy worksheet is divided into a Getting Started section, which includes background information about your farm. After the Getting Started section, there are 5 key steps. The Getting Started section indicate the number and type of livestock along with the related production metrics over a 12-month period on your farm operation. Next, indicate the number of acres of farmland and typical crop rotation and types of permanent crops grown associated with your farm business. Indicate the crops grown in your greenhouse operation throughout the year and identify the greenhouse area, including building construction, used to grow the respective crops, the weight of each crop per production cycle, number of grow crop cycles per year, and the type of heating source used. Next, select the most recent 12-month period for the baseline energy data that you will use for this worksheet. If weather or other extreme events occurred in the past 12 months, which would have impacted energy consumption at your operation, an alternative 12-month period may be used. Indicate on your application worksheet if this applies to your operation. Step number 1. Use the conversion factors to convert all energy to kilowatt hours. Use the energy usage over a historical 12-month period for each energy type to calculate an annual total for your whole farm operation in kilowatt hours. Retain copies of the monthly energy bills as OSCIA may request copies to validate your application. Include the name of your energy provider in the tables below for each source pertaining to your farm operation. The 12-month baseline energy data includes electricity, natural gas, propane, diesel, and heating oil. If your farm uses an alternative energy source, please reach out to OSCIA for a conversion factor to kilowatt hours for this energy source. Here we see the amount of propane and diesel used on the whole farm operation over the 12-month period. The energy conversion factors will automatically calculate the kilowatt hour equivalent energy use. If you are including an alternative energy source, input the kilowatt hour conversion factor and make sure the calculation is correct. Inputting the 12-month energy use data for your farm operation is the same process for both the Energy Efficiency Improvement Project category and the larger scale Energy Efficiency Improvement Project category. The only difference is that for the larger scale Energy Efficiency Improvement category, your 12-month baseline energy data will come from the required detailed energy audit that you have previously completed. Make sure to include the energy audit with your application. Check to ensure the calculation table here is correct. It should total your 12-month energy usage from all sources of energy in kilowatt hours. This chart is the energy use for your whole farm operation over a 12-month period. Step number 2. Estimate the change in annual energy uses associated with the implementation of the proposed energy efficiency improvement project, considering all sources of energy that may be impacted by the proposed change. This is the estimated annual project-specific energy savings in kilowatt hours. Estimate the annual energy usage associated with operating your current system, baseline energy usage of the specific project. Then estimate energy usage associated with your proposed energy efficiency project, which will allow you to calculate the anticipated energy savings associated with your proposed project. All energy usage must be in kilowatt hours and reported on an annual basis. Provide a detailed explanation of your proposed energy efficiency project and the intended outcome. For example, what is the improvement of your current baseline condition to the new condition proposed in your project? Describe the new equipment or technology being implemented in your operation. In your response, clearly describe your current baseline condition and how the implemented project will achieve energy efficiency at your operation. If you needed additional space to complete this section, you can include additional documents uploaded with your application. Explain in detail how you determine the estimated savings for your proposed energy efficiency project. Ensure that you include the calculations used to determine the estimated energy savings. List the supporting documentation included with your application that is used to support the energy efficiency claims outlined on the energy worksheet. The estimated project-specific savings will be included here. Ensure the estimated percentage savings for your project-specific calculations are correct. Step number 3, estimate the savings and energy usage for your whole farm operation after implementing your proposed project. Where applicable, consider if your proposed project may result in a change in another type of energy usage. For example, change in lighting from a high-pressure sodium lights to LED lights results in a reduction in electrical energy usage. However, this change could result in an increase in natural gas usage to replace heat previously generated by the high-pressure sodium lighting. For this example, the estimated increase in natural gas usage should be considered when completing table step 3. All energy usage must be in kilowatt hours and reported on an annual basis. You will see here that we are using the total baseline whole farm energy use data on the first line. Next, we have the project-specific savings for each energy source. You will calculate the new total whole farm operation energy usage after implementing your project. We will need this answer on your application form. Describe the energy savings in other areas of your farm operation as a result of this energy efficiency project. Step number 4, input the estimated whole farm savings after implementing your project and include the baseline 12-month energy data from step 1. This will give you a percentage savings of your whole farm operation after implementing your energy project. Where the worksheet calculations do not automatically populate, ensure you manually enter the correct data results. Step number 5, this section calculates the estimated annual fossil fuel reduction as a result of your project. This data will be automatically updated here from step 2. Ensure the total data is correct. You will need this data to answer question 5 on your application form. Let's review the key requirements of the energy worksheet. It has to be complete, it has to be accurate, and based on a 12-month baseline energy data. You estimate the project-specific savings for your energy efficiency improvement project, and you also estimate the whole farm savings as a percentage calculation. Please reach out to OSCIA before or during the ASI intake if you feel you need help with the energy worksheets or if you have any questions about your application or proposed project. Thank you.